Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix NotebookLM video overview not showing. If your video overview is not appearing in NotebookLM, don't worry. In many cases, this happens because the notebook has not been fully set up yet, or the page simply needs to refresh after a source is added. We'll walk through the process clearly so you can check the most likely causes and get the feature working again. Start by going to NotebookLM in your browser. Once the site loads, look for the option to create a new notebook and click Create New. This gives you a fresh workspace, which can help if the issue is happening because the current notebook is incomplete or missing required content. After the notebook opens, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. This is where you may notice that the video overview is not working, not showing, or appears to be disabled. At this stage, the key thing to understand is that some NotebookLM features may depend on having source material added first. If there's no content for the tool to work with, certain overview options may not appear as expected. Next, move to the left panel and click Add Sources. This is an important step, especially if you haven't added anything to the notebook yet. Without sources, NotebookLM may have nothing to analyze, summarize, or turn into an overview. When the source options appear, click Upload Files. Then choose the file or files you want to add. Depending on the size of the upload and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. It's a good idea to wait until the upload is completely finished before checking the overview again, so the platform has enough time to process the content properly. Once the upload is complete, go back and check whether the video overview is now enabled or visible. If it still does not appear right away, refresh the page. A refresh can help reload the notebook interface and update any features that didn't display immediately after the upload. If you've tried all of that and the video overview is still not showing, one final thing you can do is sign out of your account. Locate your profile, sign out, then follow the on-screen steps to sign back in and return to NotebookLM. This can sometimes resolve temporary account or session issues that prevent features from loading correctly. By creating a new notebook, adding sources, uploading files, refreshing the page, and signing out and back in if needed, you can usually fix the issue and restore the video overview feature.